Welcome back to the 3-Minute Node. The ComfyUI team just dropped version 0.21, and with it comes native, local support for Google's powerhouse, Gemma 4, directly inside the text generate node. If you remember our previous deep dive into QN 3.5, you know how much a local LLM changes the game. But Gemma 4 takes this to an entirely different level because it is built from the ground up to be fully multimodal. We are talking about true native execution of text, vision, audio, and video all running locally in a single node without relying on external, closed-source APIs. Let us break down exactly what Gemma 4 brings to your ComfyUI setup before we build the workflow. First, it features an advanced thinking mode, which is a built-in reasoning engine that forces the model to process its logic step-by-step before outputting an answer. This is massive for complex instruction following. Second, the context window is huge. You get up to 128K tokens on the E2B and E4B weights, and a staggering 256K tokens on the larger A4B and 31B models. For vision, it handles variable aspect ratios and resolutions natively. It covers object detection, chart comprehension, handwriting recognition, document or PDF parsing, screen UI understanding, and high-accuracy multilingual OCR. For video, it analyzes sequences by processing raw frame data directly. Now, you might be wondering why we do not just spin this up via the Llama API like we did in our faster prompting shortcut video. The answer is simple. The Llama API connection does not natively stream complex multimodal video and audio inputs into ComfyUI yet. The ComfyUI team solved this by completely upgrading the core text generate node. It now accepts a clip model, an image input, a video input, and an audio input simultaneously. This is the ultimate all-in-one controller node engineered precisely for Gemma 4. Let us look at the model setup. In the workflow file provided in our Discord, you will see we are utilizing the Gemma 4E4B FP8 scaled text encoder. You need to download this weight and place it inside your text encoders directory. Load it up using the standard clip loader node, set your type to stable diffusion, and hook the clip output directly into the text generate node. To show you why this matters, let us start with a standard text-to-image baseline. If we just feed a raw prompt like female robot floating in outer space, half-body shot, black hole is nearby into a basic Z-image turbo workflow, the output is mediocre. It is flat, lacks atmosphere, and looks generic. To fix this, the pros use prompt enhancers. I found the official prompt engineering template online from the Tongyi Mai lab. The problem is the entire template is written in Chinese. If you do not know the language, you do not have to guess. We can leverage Gemma for native multilingual capabilities. We simply paste the raw Chinese prompt template into our text generate node and tell Gemma 4 to translate it to English. The translation reveals a highly rigorous, logical workflow. The system forces the AI to act as a visual artist locked in a cage of logic. It systematically locks down the core subjects, quantities, and actions, then initiates a generative reasoning phase to solve abstract design problems. Finally, it injects professional-grade cinematic lighting, composition, and textural details while strictly omitting useless meta tags like 8K or masterpiece. Now, we append our original simple robot prompt to the end of this enhancer template inside the text generate node. The text output from Gemma 4 is spectacular. It outputs a highly detailed cinematic prompt detailing an obsidian chassis, glowing cyan circuitry under translucent panels, an event horizon with extreme gravitational lensing, and high-contrast chiaroscuro lighting. When we feed this exact generated text back into our Z-image turbo sampler, the quality jump is night and day. In modern workflows involving complex models like WAN, LTX 2.3, or Flux, having a local LLM rewrite your prompts dynamically inside your execution loop is no longer optional. It is a necessity. Now for an essential workflow pro tip. When you switch between your Gemma 4 text generation workflow and your Z-image generation workflow, you might notice that your preview text node suddenly gets wiped clean. This happens because the standard preview node acts as a temporary runtime display. To prevent losing your beautifully crafted prompts, Always copy your generated text and paste it into a permanent Markdown note node placed right next to it, and hit Ctrl+S frequently to save your workspace. But we are just getting started. Let us unlock the multimodal inputs. We connect a load image node and a load audio node directly into the text generate node inputs. For the prompt, we type, describe the image, and transcribe the audio. Gemma 4 processes both simultaneously and flawlessly. It analyzes the image, detailing a white and metallic humanoid android posed confidently against a vibrant nebula with pink and red cosmic dust. At the exact same time, it listens to the attached WAV file and accurately transcribes the audio sequence. Finally, let us push the node to its absolute limit with video processing.
Hi, my name is Gemma 4. How are you doing today?
To feed video into Gemma 4 within ComfyUI, we use a load video node hooked into a get video components node. This node decomposes the video file, splitting it into an image frame sequence and a synchronized audio stream. We pass the frame images into the video slot of the text generate node and the audio track into the audio slot. Our prompt is, describe the video and transcribe the audio. The local execution delivers perfectly. It returns a structured video description identifying the futuristic robot, its smooth outer shell with intricate mechanical details, the intense backlighting from a bright celestial body, and the swirling purple hues of the background galaxy. Underneath, it provides a time-stamped audio transcription, syncing the voice line perfectly to the timeline. This setup opens up massive automation possibilities. Think about using this for automated sports highlight generation with live commentary transcription, local security video auditing with intelligent alert descriptions, automatic dataset captioning for video LoRa training, or interactive AI agents that can see, hear, and talk back to you based on your live Canvas workflows. What real-world use cases can you think of for this toolset? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Let us know how you are integrating local multimodal processing into your production pipelines. Download the complete JSON workflow from our Discord link below, upgrade your ComfyUI to 0.21, and start building. And that's the node, all open source, no filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.